What's up, my name's Technobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In today's video, it's a two-parter. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install and connect to Skeld.net, which is most comparable to, say, Mineplex for Minecraft. They host a bunch of different game modes, of which you can see on screen now, and after a very simple installation, even the most updated official version of the game will work, and if the Among Us servers were to go down for updates or something like that, this server would probably still be running. It's a third-party server, meaning it's not run by Inner Sloth, the people who made Among Us, and it's managed by a separate group. What's nice about it is that all of these mods are completely server-side, so you can play either on your computer or even on an Android device, installation of which you'll find on screen in just a moment. If you'd like a separate tutorial video on that, maybe I'll get along to it at some stage. The second video that I was pointing towards at the beginning of this one is a client-side mod install with a bunch of different custom roles in them, more than just different game modes that you get by connecting to Skeld.net. While there are tons of different mod packs and things like that, I think these two that I'll be covering in these two videos are the biggest and easiest to set up, especially Skeld.net's installation. So without further ado, how do we install Skeld.net and play it on Among Us on a Windows computer? Well, it's pretty simple. Simply head across to the first link in the description down below, which will take you across to Skeld.net. Basically, this is one of the most popular modded servers. You install it on both Android or Windows, and it'll give you access to all of these game modes that are currently hosted on Skeld.net's official servers. Slenderman, Zombies, Cops and Robbers, Crazy Colors, Twins, Venteleporter, Clones, and 50/50. If you'd like to get this set up and start playing these game modes with your friends, all you have to do is scroll down on this page linked in the description below, Skeld.net, and follow the steps if you're on Android or on Windows. I'm of course on Windows, so I'll follow the steps here. Number 1, download our launcher. I'll simply click this link and an exe file will download onto my computer. All I have to do is open it up. If I get prompted with a blue window, all I have to do is click more info and run anyways, and then it'll magically install Skeld.net and launch Among Us immediately. Super simple. I'll open it up, and as you can see, it's busy downloading, and we have a pop-up over here, unable to find the game on Steam. Why is this? Well, because I simply don't have it installed in the default location. I'll click OK, and I'll navigate across to where my Among Us is located. To do this, I'll open up Steam, right-click Among Us on my games list, hover over Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. Then a new file browser will open up, and I'll copy the link at the very top and paste it into this Open File dialog over here, then select amongus.exe and open. Now that my game's been selected, it's installing, and immediately it starts running it on Skeld.net. Super simple installation, and it works really well. All I have to do is click Online, then in the bottom right, you'll see I'm currently connected to Skeld.net, so it's working properly. I can either find a public game, and you can see Standard, Jester, Troll, Clone, Slenderman, etc, or I can hit Create Game, choose a map, choose the number of imposters, change the chat language, max players, and then confirm to start my server. All you have to do now that we're on these Skeld servers is open up the chat in the top right, and you'll see some stuff over here. Type /help to get started, and it will return a list of commands. We can use /game mode, and we can choose one of these game modes. All you have to do is type /game mode, let's say clones. After doing that, it's now switched to game mode. I can close chat and immediately start playing if I wanted, if I had friends on the server. This is Skeld.net, and arguably one of the most simple mods to play Among Us with. If you're curious just how big Skeld.net is, you can click the Discord link up here to get an invite to their Discord server. And my Discord client pops up and shows me 167,500 members. It's pretty big. And that's about it for this video. Now you can go ahead and instantly start playing with your friends as long as they go through the same setup. As long as they join your room, you're able to customize it and play whatever game mode is listed on this custom server. Now, of course, as I mentioned before, this is a custom server more comparable to Mineplex for Minecraft or something like that, and not specifically a mod pack as such. If you'd like to know how to install custom roles and play a few different game modes, check the description down below for another video where I go through installing and setting up the All of Us mod, otherwise known as Launchpad. That has a couple of different roles that you'll see on screen now, and if you'd like to play any of these roles with your friends, make sure to check that video out. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!